Yeah, very good evening to everyone, and thank you for joining free master class on AutoCAD. So basically, we are going to start a course actually. So to give the promo, so we are just starting it. So just wanted to showcase that what we are going to cover in that. That's the main idea of this. So I just wanted to explain further. So before joining it, myself, Jay Kumar, I have 16 plus years of experience across, across various industries. So basically, I'm an electrical engineer. So that's all about me. And after working with so many companies, we have started our own, firm, which is called Ampere Pro Engineers India Private Limited. So wherein I am heading the, engineering division. So since then, we have got so many projects, and so now we are running it. So in order to help other students, I mean, there are a lot of young engineers. So we need to, as a, how when we grew, like people, they were helping in the same manner. So we are also helping our young engineers. So with that as a consideration, so I wanted to explain further. So in order to help others, so we have started various courses. So if you wanted to become expert in electrical design engineering, so you can visit this website, and you can whichever in your workplace, whichever the course or whichever the topic you need, you can opt for it. So we are running with so many courses. So all these courses are starting from January 1 onwards, in the happy 2026 onwards. So already running courses also, it is there. Whichever you feel like, you can start. So in that, we are going to start AutoCAD, which is going to run for 100 days. Okay. So that's the for that only we are going to talk about today actually, right? So let's talk about this is the AutoCAD course. So basically, what we are going to cover in that, let me talk about that. So AutoCAD is a wide, software which can be used for any industry or any discipline, right? So it is used across with so many other industries as well. But when it comes about electrical, how it helps, we need to understand. So that's what we are going to try out. So in this AutoCAD course, we are going to talk about AutoCAD interface and commands, and how to prepare professional electrical drawings, and how to prepare lighting layouts, how to prepare power layouts, how to prepare cable routing. So all those basics we are going to look into, right? So how earthing layouts to be done, right? How panel design, it has to be prepared, how layers and blocks, templates, how to use various tricks actually. So like there are so many, see, everybody can do AutoCAD, but how to do it faster, that's what it means. That's what it matters actually. So nowadays, anywhere, wherever we are working, people are expecting faster results. So how to optimize it, and how to provide good results. So that's what we are trying to, uh, give as a, those tricks we are going to share it during that entire, 100 days. So who for whom it is, useful. So generally, any electrical engineers, freshers, and people who have done diploma, they also can learn, right? And right, anyone who wants to enter into electrical design, they can do that, right? And anyone, if you are looking for a job, relevant to AutoCAD, they can also choose, right? It is not just mandatorily for electrical engineers, no. Like, but since we are coming from electrical, frame, so more, it will be more focused on electrical. but you may have to coordinate with other discipline as well. So we'll talk about that in the course, right? So it will be very useful for any freshers, beginner friendly mainly, and we are going to do it lively so that by seeing it you can practice it, right? So by seeing it you can practice it, and what we are going to cover it, so one by one. So the entire course curriculum is there. It is not just this one, like because 100 days, this is and all, it's very single day course, but the 100-day course, along the course, we are going to add it one by one, right? So in that, basically, each and every topic, for example, when we take this tab, so this is the AutoCAD. This is the AutoCAD. So how to start with AutoCAD? What are the important steps that you need to do it before starting the AutoCAD? And what are these functions? And what are these functions? What are this tab it works? How you can automate it, right? How, what properties means? Why groups are there? Why, how it is used? What are the other tools are available, right? So what are the other purpose, how you can integrate with other software and etc. And there are so many options are available in the AutoCAD, right? So in the insert tab, if you look at, there are so many other steps also it is there. We are going to navigate it one by one. We are going to navigate it one by one, and it is not just a tool exploration. No, we are going to showcase that how you can apply it in the real time applications. That's what the main intention of this course, right? So that's what the main intention. So one by one we are going to deal with that. So definitely it may require 100 days you're going to run it, right? So that's the main idea of the theme, right? Okay, now coming back, it is not just a see, as part of the skill development program, this is a tool. If you learn it, at least we can guarantee that you will land somewhere in any company, right? Whichever the discipline you are, you can land it, and definitely will get a job. No doubt in that. But only thing, the problem is, not just learning will not work. You need to adopt how to learn AutoCAD very fast. That's what you need to learn that. So here, speed and accuracy both matters, right? So both matters. That's what we are going to teach you in this actually. So since we are electrical company, so we are going to cover most of the things are electrical side. So for example, preparation of single line diagram, preparation of electrical layouts, and preparation of schematics. So many electrical points that we are going to discuss it, right? So maybe I'll just give some idea that how we can prepare something. So when you do that, see, there are methods how to use this cursor and how to use your hand movement. So on the right hand, what you should do, on the left hand, what you should do, right? So all these things we are going to tell you that during the course actually. So that's the main idea, right? So see, any drawing, maybe I'll give you some demo today. So like when you open the AutoCAD, any drawing, the opening, the model space will come out, right? So this is what we call it as a model, right? Then this is what we call it as a layout, right? Then you can have a n number of layouts as much as you want, right? You see that. So plus, 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 you can add it n number of layouts as much as you want. So model is something you can assume that you can draw anything within the model, right? For example, if you wanted to prepare a complete design, for example, if you wanted to prepare a design for your house, you can plan it, right? You can plan it. So those who know civil, like they know very well. So you can quickly, prepare a layout, right? So if you wanted to prepare a substation, if you wanted to make a substation, so you can plan a substation, right? So like how we can plan it. So you can plan a substation, right? So likewise, you can plan a substation, right? So how to use shortcuts and how to prepare, all those things we are going to look at. So this is how the substation comes into picture. Here you are going to keep the switch gear. Here you are going to keep the switch gear, right? So likewise, we are going to give each and every part how to prepare it, right? So it is not just a tool exploration. No, we are going to explore in detail that what are the different workflows you need to do, you need to learn during the entire process actually, right? So for example, if you have to prepare a substation, if you have to prepare a substation layout, so this is how you have to prepare a equipment layout. So in that equipment layout, so maybe there will be a different rooms or different you know this is this could be another room actually. So basically here so there will be a the door or something it may require, so you have to put a door here. So in the similar manner there will be a one more door here, right? So this is how the main door of the substation will be there, right? So this is let's say that this is the electrical panel. So you have to keep other electrical panels, and while keeping the electrical panel, how to align this, that also we'll see it. So basically any electrical panels, so you have to give some gap actually. So you see that. So since I'm not I'm right now I'm drawing only with without scale actually. The actual dimension is going, when you are doing it you have to draw it with the actual dimension, so you have to add the dimension and all those things, etc., right? So likewise you have to add the dimensions, right? So likewise you can add each and every stuffs in the CAD itself. Everything can be done in the CAD itself. You don't need a sophisticated software like very high end. Nothing is required. So simple AutoCAD is more than sufficient. Only thing you should know the how to use this. That's it, right? So this is how we have to prepare, quick substation. So similarly, there are so many electrical services are there, right? So what are the different services that we can plan? Let's see that, right? So, so let's open, let's try to prepare a different, um, what are the different services that we may require? Let's see it. So let's prepare that. Can I get some answer from the chat so that what are all the things that we can prepare in using the AutoCAD, right? Can I get some list, guys? So can I get some, you know, what are the things that we can prepare it? Any idea, guys? Any idea that we can do it? Great. So, so let's create something. Let's create something. Yeah, all layouts. Yeah, thank you, Ramraj, for putting it. So, thank you. Yeah. So let's create that what we can do in the AutoCAD. Let's create a list, right? So we can see in as part of electrical we are talking about. In AutoCAD we can do much more, right? So, but here we are talking about it with respect to only electrical services. So, what we can prepare in the electrical services, let's say that single line diagram, 3 line diagram, right? Schematics, right? So, I would say that control schematics, right? Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you, Ramraj. So let's add a few more steps. So equipment layout. So let's create, power layout, cable tray, earthing layout. So earthing layout. Then going forward, lighting protection system layout, lighting layout, right? So likewise, you can keep on, preparing so many layouts. So it depends upon the requirement basically, right? So, so depending upon the area, you can add. But these are the basic services that I would say that minimum requirement that you need to have it, right? So, so maybe you can add anything further if you want. You can add anything, right? So yeah, thanks Alok for putting. Yeah, switch your layout. Yeah, let's put that. So, so I'm just copying yours and putting it. Switch your layout, right? So like it may seem like simple, but there are a lot of see anybody can do, but the point is how you can do it, how fast you can do it. That's what the difference here, right? So let me just put it. So let me just put it something like that, right? So electrical deliverables using AutoCAD, we can put it right. So let's add this, right? Yeah, like when we segregate further, like here you can add it, like indoor lighting, outdoor lighting, right? So likewise, so many things that we can add it, right? So this is how. So this is how it we can use this tool effectively, and we can brilliantly, you can plan so many other layouts as well, right? And the challenge is how you can do it very quickly and effectively. That's what the challenge here actually. So that's what we are going to teach you this course actually. So that's all about the question from my side. So if you guys have any question, maybe you can talk. Maybe you can ask. If you guys have any questions, please raise your hand so that we can discuss about that. Any questions? So, or any other topics from your side you are expecting us to take it? We are happy to take it. Please list out so that we can plan and we can take that in upcoming days. So, those who are like I believe I have shared a list. If you guys whatever whatever the course you needed it, it is not just a course, like it's how any organization they will prepare it. So like if you need any specialized topics, I think I have covered almost all. If you know everything, then that means you're an expert actually. So almost we are covering all the topics. If you guys need any specialized topic, please let us know and kindly share it across to your friends so that it will reach them. Maybe anybody who needs, they may opt for it, right? So let us help them if they needed it. So let me know that you guys any topics that specialized I need to take it from your side. Can I take some feedback from you guys? Alok, there is no pre-recorded lecture available. So hereafter we are going to have the live course, so that later that will be provided to you as a recorded courses, so that you can watch and you can learn at the later stage. But there is something when we talk live, that is a different. Then again after that, whenever you needed it, you can watch. That is a different course, right? So it's as and when when you get a time, you can again watch and you can go ahead. So we are going to have it live, this one every day, 1 hour we are going to have it, so that you know uh, it shouldn't be completely shouldn't be occupied, so that you can also work, you can also learn this as well, right? So it's going to be a daily, like every day 1 hour. It is going to be a every day 1 hour, completely 100 days we are going to do that. So from January 1st onwards, right? So the timing most we are figuring it out. So depending upon the various participants, so mostly it will be on the evening so that everybody can attend. That's how we are preparing it, we are planning it. Great. Then we'll see. But then we'll see in the upcoming in the next webinar, we'll see it again. So we'll come up with some new interesting topic, not just a tool. Next time we're going to add some uh, electrical design and drafting course. Yeah, Ramraj will take that as well. No problem. We are going to plan that as well. So we just will take that as well, right? Great. So we will include that as well. No worries. Great. So fine. So that's all from my side. So if you guys have any feedback or something, feel free to share us. So you can contact me, or you can drop a text, or you can drop a text or whatever it is, or you can drop a email. So email and everything is there. You can send an email, right? So let's see. You can, if you wanted to convey something, so just type in whatever that you needed it. So you can send it and you can share your requirement. Then we'll address that. Right? Yeah. Thank you guys from that's all from my side, and thank you for joining. and on this Sunday. That's all. Let's meet next week and have a nice weekend.